Hey everyone, welcome back to the Banana Thumbnail Podcast, where we bring thumbnails to life to crush the competition. Today, we've got something really cool lined up. Absolutely. We're diving into the 7 best Sora VDL hacks to transform your videos, and I can't wait to learn about these, right? There's this myth floating around that you need years of editing experience and a hefty budget to make your videos look professional. But honestly, that's just not the case anymore. So true. It can feel overwhelming when you open professional editing software and it looks like the control panel of a spaceship. Exactly. But with the right tools, you can streamline your workflow and start getting better results without all the frustration. Let's jump into the first hack, the best. Sora VDL hacks for beginners. I know beginners often struggle with complex software. What's the main solution here? Well, one of the most powerful features is the text-to-image generation powered by Gemini 2 Flash. This tool allows users to visualize concepts quickly. You just type in what you want to see and it creates images for you. No sketching required. Jordan, wow, that's actually really interesting. So it's like having an AI illustrator at your fingertips? Exactly. It's the scalability solution that grows with you. Plus, it saves so much time. Now, if you want to skip manual editing altogether, the AI creative director can do the heavy lifting for you. Wait, it analyzes your background images, overlays, text, and metadata, then optimizes your visuals based on what works best. It's a game changer. I can see how that would save a ton of time, especially for creators who are juggling a lot. For sure. Now, let's move on to the next hack. Handling different aspect ratios for multiple platforms. It's a common headache for creators. Right. I've heard that maintaining image quality across platforms can be a challenge. What's the solution? Instead of cropping your images, which can ruin the context, you want to use aspect ratio reimagining. It actually regenerates the missing parts of the image, maintaining quality across YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. That's brilliant. So it fills in the gaps instead of just cutting stuff out? Exactly. Just make sure to generate your base image in the widest format first, usually 16:9. It's much easier for the tool to reimagine a wide shot into a vertical format. Got it. That sounds like it could save hours every week for creators trying to keep up with posting schedules. Definitely. Now let's talk about one of my favorite hacks, face. Focus. It's all about getting those click-through rates up. I'm all ears. What's the deal with face focus? Well, human beings are naturally drawn to faces. Studies show that using face focus techniques can increase click-through rates by 38%. If your thumbnail has a clear human face, it draws in viewers. That makes so much sense. It's like our brains just can't resist looking at faces. Exactly. Now, if you're a professional running a business or an agency, another vital hack is perfecting your typography. Typography? How does that factor in? You can't just rely on default fonts. Sora VDL offers professional typography and text options across various categories. Your text needs to be instantly readable, especially on mobile devices. So keeping text short and impactful is key, right? Exactly. Aim for under 5 words. Let the image convey the story. And use text to add context. And I assume there are options for background images too? Yes, Sora VDL has 71 professional photo options across 9 categories. This means you don't have to mess around with color grading. You just pick the atmosphere that fits your brand. Sounds like a time saver. Now what's this advanced Sora VDL hack about? YouTube analysis mode? Great question. This mode allows you to extract metadata from your videos. Instead of guessing what your thumbnail should look like, the system reads your content and generates optimized graphics for you. So it basically analyzes and aligns your visuals with your content? Exactly. Creators who use it see higher retention rates because the visuals match the topic. And looking ahead to 2026, we're moving towards multimodal analysis, where tools will evaluate audio, text, and visuals all at once. That's fascinating. So it's all about automation in the editing process? Yep, and if you start using these Sora VDL hacks now, you'll definitely be ahead of the curve. Wow, I've learned so much today. To sum it up, these hacks can save time, improve quality, and help with engagement across platforms. Exactly. Don't get bogged down by complex software. Just apply these methods, test what works for your audience, and watch your metrics improve. That's a wrap for this episode of the Banana Thumbnail Podcast. Thanks for listening, and we'll catch you in the next one.